Yeah. Wow, a lot of stuff is gonna come out. Ah, crap. Okay. Whoa. Oh yeah. It almost looks like a two-stroke. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have one short little video for you guys today, and the video it's about one of the two mini bikes I have. So I'm gonna explain to you why I'm making this video. About 2 weeks ago we went out camping, my family and I. We took the camping trailer and both mini bikes. All of a sudden only one of the mini bikes was running. What happened was one of my family members, actually two of them, you know who you are, you watch my videos, so I'm not gonna put your name out there on blast. Anyway, so family members, they took the mini bikes for a ride. Only one came back running, the other one was not running. So I asked what happened, and what happened was that for some reason he fell. The bike was on its side, and he couldn't start the bike. I thought I was gonna be able to start it, but I couldn't. So this is what's happening to the bike, and I haven't had the chance to look at it and find out what the problem is. Hopefully it's nothing serious, but this is what's happening. I'm trying to pull on the pull start here, and it's stuck. I looked online on YouTube, and seems like there could be either fuel or oil inside the cylinder head. So I gotta clear that out. Hopefully that's the problem. I've been busy, but right now I need to get it going again, because I need to find out what the problem is. So the first thing I researched and I found out is that when something like this happens, the first thing to look for is oil or fuel in the chamber, right? So I need to take the spark plug out and then try to pull the cord. Hopefully that'll clear it all out and make it run again. Not sure if that's gonna work. Hopefully that's the only issue and nothing happened to the engine. There's only one way to find out. So let's do it. Let's look into it. All right, guys. I have my socket here, my spark plug socket. I'm gonna unplug this, and I'm taking the plug off. All right, I have a rag here just in case. I don't want to make a mess here. Hopefully this is gonna fix my problem. Hopefully. Smells like gasoline, and is really wet. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's really wet. So most likely that's gonna be our problem. Hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna pull on it now. Fuel is off, choke is off. Not that that matters, but let's see. I'm gonna get you a little closer so you can see what I see. And I think I have my flashlight here so you can take a look. Let's see. Okay, let's take a look. All right, so there's the hole. Oh my God, it's full of oil. Not sure if you guys can see that, But look, I'm gonna move the, can you guys see that? Yeah. Wow, a lot of stuff is gonna come out. Ah, crap. Okay. So, let's see. Where can I put this so you guys can see it? Let's see, where can you guys put it? Where can I put it? Okay, so right there. Right there. Maybe you guys can see it right there. Okay. Ooh, it's oil. It's a lot of oil. So oil went in there. Wow. Okay. Okay. All right. I don't like this already. Thought it was gonna be fuel, but it's oil. Why oil though? Oil and fuel? I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna put a rag down here because I don't want to make a mess. I'm already making a mess, but here it goes. Whoa. I got it all over the camera. Whoa. What a mess. What a mess. All right. Let me clean these up. And I'm going to check the oil level. I'm going to fill it up a little more because obviously a lot of it went into the chamber there. And I'll be right back. Hopefully this is going to work. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, I cleaned all the mess, the oil mess around the engine. Everything's cleared out of the cylinder. I topped it off. It was a little low on oil. Now, hopefully this will start now. Here we go. Choke on, fuel on. Let's see. Well, there it is, guys. A lot of smoke. A lot of smoke came out. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it's a little smoky. I'm sure it's got to burn all that nasty oil inside of the cylinder. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's smoky right now. What do you guys think? Is it normal? A little smoke like this? I'm gonna take it for a little spin, and hopefully that smoke will clear out. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's very, very smoky, but I think it's gotta burn all the oil from inside the cylinder. So let's go take it around the block, and let's see if this is gonna clear out. Oh yeah, it's smoky. It almost looks like a two-stroke. Hopefully the engine is not damaged. Look at all the smoke. Oh crap. I'm not sure if you guys can see the engine, the smoke trail. It's a little smoky. Let's see. It is what it is, guys. I think it'll clear out. I don't see any more smoke. Well, there you go, guys. There's no more smoke, and seems like it's running good. So I'm gonna shut it off and I'm gonna start it up again. Oh yeah, it works. It works, guys. It's a little smelly, a little smoky, but it'll come around. I'm sure it will come around. I'm just gonna let the fuel run out. I don't want to put it away with fuel in the carburetor. Well, there you go, guys. I'm glad it was just an easy fix. I guess this is normal when this happens. It never happened to me before, so I was a little worried about it. I'm glad the engine is good. It runs good. The smoke is gonna disappear, I'm sure, as soon as I start driving it. Okay, so you guys stay tuned because there's gonna be more upgrades on both of them. I'm gonna do a lot more upgrades so we can have a better, more enjoyable ride out of those mini bikes. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that. And all of you guys who already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Yeah, there's gonna be more. I have more stuff coming up, not just for the mini bikes, for the OBS right here. I'm gonna be doing a couple upgrades to this, and Big Red. I also have more upgrades to that coming soon. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching my videos. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.